Hello everyone, if you have also clicked on this presentation video, then you also want to generate a good income using social media. So today I am going to tell you about a platform on which you can earn rupees 3000 to 4000 daily by working 2 to 3 hours a day. So before moving ahead, let me tell you about myself. My name is Ammar and you are very welcome in this presentation video of SkillPaisa. So let's start the video without wasting time. First let us know what is the name of this work through which you will earn money. Its name is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Friends, there are two types of affiliates marketing. First in digital products and second in physical products. Physical products mean those which we can touch like a bike, car or table. When you do affiliate marketing on such products with Amazon or Flipkart, you get a very low commission between 2 to 15%. And digital products mean those things which we cannot touch but can only feel like ebook, digital courses through which you can develop your skills. And your commission is very high between 80 to 90%. What is SkillPaisa? SkillPaisa is a learning platform in which you get a chance to learn digital skills. Now a question might be coming in your mind that how can we earn money through SkillPaisa? Let me tell you friends, SkillPaisa is not just an e-learning platform but also an affiliate marketing program through which you can earn money from today itself. So we have 4 packages. The first package is Silver package, in which you get to see total 2 courses, Instagram Mastery and Affiliate Marketing Mastery. And the price of this package is only 299 rupees. After this, Gold package is on second place. In this you will get to see 4 courses, Video Editing Mastery, Canva Mastery, Facebook Ads Mastery, Communication Mastery. And the price of this package is only rupees 999. Our third package is Platinum package. In this also you will get to see 4 courses, Lead Generation, ChatGPT, Content Creation, Attraction Marketing. Guys, the era of artificial intelligence is going on right now. So you are also getting ChatGPT course in this package. If you take only ChatGPT course from somewhere else, then the same course will cost you 10 times more. And the price of this package is only rupees 2299. The best package that we have is the Diamond package. Why is it so best? I will tell you further. In this also you will get 4 courses to watch: website development, WhatsApp funnel, email marketing, blogging. And the price of this package is only 4999 rupees. If you buy these courses from the market, you will get them for more than 50,000 rupees. And SkillPaisa is giving you this same course for only 4999 rupees. Now we come to the most important part of the video. What is the commission structure in which package? How much commission will you get and how much money will you make? Where you will get to see 2 types of income. The first is active income, meaning whatever you earn by working yourself. We will call it active income. Passive income means that you will get some percent commission on the work done by your downline. Like if you sold a package to someone, you got active income. But if you sold the package to someone, you will get passive income. So let us know how much commission you get in which package. In Silver package you get active income of 201 rupees and in passive income you get 2 levels. In the first level you are given 24 rupees and in the second level you are given a commission of 12 rupees. In Gold package you get active income of rupees 672 rupees and level 1 passive income of rupees 80 and level 2 passive income of rupees 40. In the Platinum package you are given 1545 rupees active income, rupees 188 level 1 passive income and rupees 94 level 2 passive income. And in our Diamond package, which is our best package, it gives you 3361 rupees active income, 404 rupees level 1 passive income and 202 rupees level 2 passive income. That's why I said in the beginning of the video that is the best package which will help you earn the most money. In this you can earn money in another way, freelancing. Yes guys, you can generate very good income from freelancing also. You can earn money by monetizing your skills by completing the courses offered in these packages. So basically here you get multiple sources for earning. Now a question might be coming in the mind of some people. That is this company legal? Yes guys. This company is absolutely a government approved company. These are some of the legal documents of this company, you can check. Now suppose that you have joined the SkillPaisa platform. Now what do you have to do next? When you join our platform, you get access to our private groups in which you get updates related to the company and you get to watch our weekly live sessions. We are not only giving you courses, along with that we are also providing you trainings in which all your doubts are solved. And let us tell you that on SkillPesa platform you also get a chance to achieve special offers and free national and international trips. So no other platform will provide you with so many things and such a good support system like SkillPesa. If you want to start, then I could recommend you to start with Diamond package because you can earn good money in it. Because if you start with Diamond package, then you can earn 30,000 to 40,000 per month. But if you have less investment, then you can start with Gold or any other package. Now some people here make various excuses that we do not have money, our father is not agreeing. What will happen if we do not earn money? So brother, if you want to earn money, then learn to take risk in life. Because you pay fees in schools and colleges for 15 to 20 years without any guarantee that you will be successful, otherwise not, this is a risk. And when you get a good opportunity where you can earn lakhs by investing not just a few thousand, then you start making excuses. Why? So join the SkillPesa platform today and fulfill all your dreams. Thank you so much.